I want to show you how to install this nice ceiling light from KODA. You can find them in the major big box stores or Costco or Amazon. It's 1600 lumen light. It has a backlight as well. You see it here. Really nice for bedrooms. You can have it bright white, you can have it yellowish, and you can have it backlit. Let's install it right there before you start any electrical work. If you are not confident, call an electrician. If you're confident, go turn off the switch and turn off the breakers. Talking about electricity, get your favorite tester, check out the wires. And as you can see, this light does not require ground, just hot and neutral wires, so black and white. To detach wiring box, you will have to twist it. And that's how it looks inside. You can detach securing wire and both pin connectors. You will need this part first. Within the box, you will also get 2 wire nuts for 2 or 3 wires. So make sure that if you have more, you will get larger ones, and you get 2 bolts to secure this piece. I already have them, and I already have wire nuts, so I'm not going to be using them, but they come handy if you don't have. Before you start installing this part, go and test it with the box. Make sure that you can hang it. So that's what we're going to do. And you just need to push it and then twist it. Now both black and white come with exposed wiring. Sometimes it's enough, sometimes it's not. In my case, it's enough, so you just want to screw it together with the existing wiring and you put the nut on top of it. Now we're just gonna secure them, and I want to reuse one of the provided wire nuts. And make sure you secure it tight, but do not over tight it because you might break the wires. That's how it looks. Now you want to go ahead and put the wires within the box and make sure they do not go in the way of the bolts. Okay, so you put it on, then you twist it. Now it's time to secure both bolts to make it flush. Once it's secured, now it's time to attach the lighting. Quick tip, make sure you wear the gloves that do not leave any marks. I'm going to show you. It's a little bit hard. So it's going to be like this. Now it's time to tie both connectors. One of them has 2 pins, another one has 3 pins, so there will not be a challenge to connect them. It's hanging loose right now. Before I secure it, I want to test it. So go ahead, switch on the breaker and switch on the lights. As you can see, all 3 functions of this light worked, so it's time to connect it. So you want to push it up and then twist it. Make sure it's connected on all 3 sides. It's a really nice night light. Then the light changes. If you leave it for 5 seconds, it remembers the light setting. And that's how you can install your new ceiling light from KODA. As usual, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe. It will greatly help to grow this channel. And until the next one, cheers.